As any great chef will tell you, a good set of knives is the cornerstone of any successful kitchen. You can't cut it in the kitchen without a sharp tool to get the job done quickly and neatly. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to cut through the clutter and find the perfect knife block set for your needs. But fear not, fellow foodies! We're here to slice and dice our way through the options and present you with the top 3 knife block sets on the market. So sharpen your senses and let's get started! Coming in at number 3, we have the Wusthof Classic 9-piece knife block set in acacia. These knives are the definition of perfection. Forged in full tang, they're not too heavy, not too light, they're just right. With a chef's knife that can glide through onions and mince parsley into confetti, you'll feel like a pro in no time. The synthetic handles are smooth and never warp or splinter, and the set includes all the essentials plus a scissors and honing steel. Just be sure to sharpen them when needed to keep them in tip-top shape. At number 2, we have the Astercook knife set with built-in sharpener block. This high-carbon stainless steel cutlery set is tarnish and rust-resistant, making it a perfect choice for high-frequency use. Each knife has been adjusted for optimum sharpness, and the built-in sharpener makes it easy to resharpen as needed. The ergonomically designed handles make for a comfortable grip, and the hardwood knife block is both stylish and durable. This set is dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean and maintain after use. Before we get to the number 1 slot, feel free to look in the description to purchase any of these sets that will keep your kitchen chopping sharp. But the creme de la creme, the knife block set to end all knife block sets, is the Damascus kitchen knife set. This all-in-one complete set includes everything you need to slice and dice your way to culinary greatness. Crafted with VG10 steel core, 67 layers of superior Damascus steel blades, these knives are the epitome of precision and accuracy. With a curved design handle for comfort and support, these knives are both beautiful and functional. The integrated design of the blade and shank ensures long-lasting performance and easy cleaning, and the natural wooden block makes for easy storage. And if that's not enough, this set comes with a lifetime warranty. That's right, a lifetime! You can't beat that! So there you have it, folks, the top 3 knife block sets on the market. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, these sets are sure to elevate your kitchen game. Happy chopping!